Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ravina Singh and I'm going to be teaching you a choreography on the beautiful song O Rangreez from Bhag Milkha Bhag. A lot of you had asked me to teach this song and I'd taken a couple of live classes on Instagram teaching it. However, some of you happened to miss those classes and you asked me to share a version that you could follow and learn the rest of the choreographies from. So here I am and I have created two tutorials which has divided the choreography into two parts that you can divide easily and learn the entire choreography from. I have also posted an entire video of me performing to this song, which is going to be a reference for learning these two choreographies. If you want to follow more of my live classes, my dance and performance content, then follow my Instagram handle, which is tagged below in the description, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Let's begin with this choreography right away. So this video is divided into two parts. The first part is starting now. I have taken the music from the last part of the song. So if you refer to the entire video that I have posted of the choreography, you will be able to identify which part of the music it exactly is. And if you refer to the entire track, which is about 6.5 minutes, then this part starts somewhere around 4 minutes, 35-36 seconds. So that's your cue to begin. I'm going to start with the right leg crossed over to the front here, and the left leg is lifted up on the heel, is lifted up from the heel here. My left arm is across my waist like this, and my right elbow is resting on the left hand, and I take the right hand across the face down here, and I'm looking far down. There are 3 beats in the music. They're actually sounds of a string instrument. So the first one, you look up, you look away, and then you meet the gaze again. So for this choreography, it's very important to have someone that you're interacting with. So have someone that you're referring to that is your beloved, basically the point of the song. So 1, 2, 3. From here, my right hand and right leg both get pulled in this direction. So my body also reacts forward. The left arm joins, both the arms pull back, and cross the right leg ahead again and look back. The arm is still here. So there's a sargam that starts here. Da-da, 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 is when you make a turn from here. So you're going to interlock both the hands and you're going to make a small circle starting below like this, and as you turn, you lift the hand up, both the arms up towards the left top corner, and your gaze also is in that direction. So for the turn, what I'm doing is I'm simply going on both the feet and I finish with the left leg forward. If this is a bit complicated, all you have to do is take how many steps you need to turn and then finish this way with the left leg in the front and the left and the arm stretched towards the left top corner. So from here, we're going to take both the arms down and the leg also goes down to the right front corner, pointing this way. Now this movement is kind of like you've held hands with the beloved, and now you're going to be walking towards that direction but with a little bit of resistance. So first your body is going to move back, so towards the left, take the weight back, cross the left leg in the front, and then slide the right leg out and make a circle with the right shoulder, and the right arm also leads like this, and you do this thing twice. So you went there. This is a percussion beat. Tak 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 tak. Yeah? There's no music here. Tak 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 is a percussion beat, and then O Rangreez starts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, let's join it once from the beginning from here. So you're looking over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to lift both the arms up and drop them towards the left. So the right elbow bends and the left arm drops this way, and then you lift them both up again, bend the left elbow, drop the right hand up. Yeah. While doing this, we're going to be traveling towards the left back corner in that direction diagonally. So we finished here and we're going to walk that way. So what we're going to do is, as you lift this arm, you're going to take the right leg and walk back 2 steps and look over the shoulder. Now you're going to lift the left arm again, like both the arms, take it from the left and turn, and one arm turn. Now you can take multiple steps or a single step, or cross or not cross is not really the important part. The idea is to go away and then towards, go back and towards in this diagonal direction. Yeah. So again, depending on how much space you have or how much you want to move to the music, you can adjust the number of legs that you move, the number of steps that you take. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you see, when I lift my hands up, my leg also tends to do a kick up. That is something that just comes naturally to me. If it comes naturally to you, please go ahead and use it. Otherwise, it's not such an important part. The important part is the turning and looking back. So from here, you finish here with the right hand ahead to this direction, and your right leg is forward, or it can be here as well. That's not an issue, wherever you finished. The idea is, for the next movement, you take the right hand from up to down like this. You're scooping the arm like this, and the left arm is reacting. It's going exactly opposite. So if my right hand is up, it's the left arm is starting from down. As this arm goes down, this one goes up. And then I turn, and again as my right arm is coming up, my left hand has gone down. Here. Now if you feel like the left arm is making things too complicated, you can just choose not to use it. So you can just stay down, and you can use only the right arm to turn and bring it up. So from down to up again, and slowly slide the hand down. So this turn comes on the lyrics Rang Dariya Mein. So you went O Rang Re Tere Rang Dariya Mein. Excuse my singing. You turn for Rang Dariya, and O Rang Rez comes again. And that O Rang Rez is just going to be a gaze like this, just a step. Now, I usually take a couple of steps ahead with this. So as I go, I walk and I walk. It's optional. You can also stay and just stare. The idea is in the look more than the movement. So O Rang Rez again comes here. Now when Rang Dariya comes again, we're going to take 2 turns. So this arm is bent, the left one, the right arm is open. Again, the exact position of the hand is not that important to me. You can keep it as it feels comfortable, just that one arm is bent and the other is straight. And I take 2 turns. Again, 2 turns is also optional. You can take 1 slow turn or take 2 turns, or you can take more than that if you're able to. It's all cool. The idea is to use this movement with the feel. Yeah, for me, I take 2 turns here. Rang Dariya Mein. So what have I done here? I have taken the left leg to the front, and both the arms are interlocked again, and I place the hands on the top of my head and slightly behind. The left elbow is pointing up towards the left corner, and my head, my eyes are also facing that direction. My head is slightly tilted in this direction, so I'm right here. Yeah. So this is Rang Dariya Mein. And with the singing, it's kind of slower, so you can take your time and try it over here. Yeah. So I'm just going to mark it once on the counts again from the beginning. This would be a good opportunity for you to refer back to my entire choreographed video and practice it with that to get the musicality right of the movement. So after we finish doing these 2 counts, go over to that video and follow and dance with me in that video. Let's go. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We finished right here. So this is Dariya Mein. From there the lyrics are डूबना है बस तेरा बनके. So from here we're going to overlap the hands like this. Yeah, which hand is over which is not really important here. From here you're going to overlap the hands and you're going to make a vertical 8. So it's going to be a circular movement starting from down and then going up, down and up. So think of drawing an 8 with your arms. So you're going to the left corner, down corner first, right down corner, left up corner, right up corner. So those are your points to do this. So from here you go 1, 2, 3 and 4 is right here. Yeah. So sometimes when I get more time, if I've turned too fast or something like that, I also change the direction here. But you have to kind of fit it in the time frame that you have. So you go डूबना है बस तेरा बनके. Sometimes for बनके I shift this. Yeah. From there you open the hand here and there is a beat before this Hare comes. So from here you go ta Hare. Yeah. Open the hands towards the right front corner like this. And then you're going to walk back with the right leg. Walk back with the left leg. So you're going to do that twice actually. So right, left, but it's going to be slower. And the first 2 times you're going to use the arms as well. So you're going to go flick the right arm as you take the right leg back. So 1, 2, and you bring the hands behind your back as you do that. And then 3 and 4, adjust the legs and a little bit of the shoulder if you want. So the lyrics here are Nahi rehna dusha banke. So Nahi rehna is the first 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. From there you're going to make a circle on the floor using your toe. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So my head is also following from front, around and to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How is 5, 6, 7, 8? I finish the right leg here and lift the right leg up and cross it to the front for 5, 6. So I go 5, 6, 7, 8. I shift the weight to the right leg and I lift the left heel up. And then I take my head and my shoulder towards the right corner here. Yeah. So this is the end of the first half. I hope you've gotten it so far. I'm just going to walk over the entire sequence once from the beginning again. And then of course, as I said, you can refer back to my choreography video and follow it with the music properly, with all the musicality. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, up, down, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So the exact counts are going to obviously just match with the music. So like I said before, shift over to my video and practice till I come out with the part 2 of this tutorial. Thank you so much. I hope you've learned something valuable. I can't wait to see your versions of this choreography, and soon I'll be out with tutorial 2. So make sure you get really good with this one by the time the second one comes. If you've liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay connected and you can watch watch some of my other content as well, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to do any other tutorials of any other songs that you would like to see. Thank you so much.